Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how to build your free food ordering system. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below on this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then you're going to come across this platform, Jotform. And Jotform is a web-based service that allows users to create and manage online forms for various purposes such as collecting registrations, payments, surveys, and more. Jotform offers a drag-and-drop form builder, over 150 integrations with popular apps, and a variety of templates and themes to customize the forms. And you can also get the free account that you can test out for yourself. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up for Jotform. You can choose to sign up with your Google or Facebook account, or using your email address. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you'll be directed to your Jotform account. Now, in order to build your free food ordering system, you'll need to create a form. To create a form in Jotform, start by clicking on the Create Form button either at the center or at the top left side of the dashboard. You'll be presented with 4 options: Start from Scratch, Use Template, Import Form, and Create Signable Document. For this tutorial, we will click on the Use Template option to utilize a pre-built template. Once you click on Use Template, you'll be directed to the template library. Scroll down and click on the Fast Food Order Form template. Then click on the Use Template option and you will be taken to the editor where you can manage and customize the template to your liking. Within the template, you will find sections for products such as food and drinks, as well as payment information. These sections can be customized according to your needs. Simply click on the form and you will see 4 options appear above it: Product List, Properties, Payment Integration, and Delete. Clicking on the Product List option will open the right sidebar where you can customize the products. Hover over any of the products and you will see 2 options appear: a gear icon and a pencil. By clicking on the pencil, you can modify the product details, including the name, price, description, and image. Additionally, you can add quantity and product options by clicking on the Options section within the right sidebar and using the Add button. Furthermore, you can add new elements to your form such as basic fields, payment methods, and widgets. To do this, navigate to the top left side and click on Add Form Element. The left sidebar will open, allowing you to choose and add elements of your choice to the form. For example, if you want to add payment method, click on the Payments section within the left sidebar and select from various options like Square, PayPal, Authorize.net, and more. Once you have customized your form to your satisfaction, it's time to share or embed it. Click on the Publish section to access the options. Here you can copy the link and share it with others by clicking on the Copy Link option. Alternatively, you can open the form in a new tab by clicking on Open in New Tab. If you want to invite specific individuals to view your form, enter their email addresses in the Invite by Email field. To embed your form on a website, click on the Embed section in the left menu. Then click on the Copy Code button to copy the code snippet and paste it into the desired website. And there you have it, a beginner's guide on how to build your free food ordering system with Jotform. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. You can also watch my Jotform tutorial on my YouTube channel for more understanding. Thanks for watching and take care.